Hello to Romania! We are from Kazakhstan. My name is Meriki Janarus.
And my name Kadyrjanov Baghdad.
And about our team. Our team is from Taldykurgan Kazakh Turkish High School, which was founded in 1993 in Taldykurgan city, Kazakhstan. Our Lyceum teaches us 4 languages. It has a new voice of education in Kazakhstan with its successful facilities around the country and around the world, with activities such as science fairs, Olympiad and project competitions. Our category is digital content,
And its topic, hope and freedom. We have decided to create posters on theme hope and freedom, because hope is the birth of freedom, and freedom gives hope. The people that survive in the difficult and civil world, and that there will always be people who are ready to sacrifice anything to save the humankind. Our project is based on real events. Kazakhs have fought for freedom since ancient times, and in 1986 our grandparents also rose for freedom of Kazakhstan, and due to them our Kazakhstan became sovereign independent state. 87% of humankind realizes the reality of events only when they see it with their own eyes. We have added real senses from December event in our posters to show that people are ready to sacrifice themselves for their homeland, if they have honor and patriotism in their hearts.
During the creation of our project, we have been thinking of actual problems of our social society. There are a lot of people who are dependent on alcohol, drugs, smoking and other bad things which have damaged our health. According to the problems, we wanted it to be not only an appeal to fight for freedom, but also a warning for those who want to encourage the freedom of others. I wish people overcame their greed and looked at the world through different eyes. Only by giving freedom to others you become free yourself. Our planet, the Earth, is so tired of endless wars. Let us hope that the humankind will not perish and our planet will freely continue its journey in the universe. Our project is divided into parts: fighting for freedom
And independence. And about fighting for freedom. Our world is full of painful cruelties and wars which are regular nowadays. People are being killed, they are being deprived of their freedom and their children without any hope for the future. The First World War, the war Vietnam, in Iraq and Afghanistan are some of the examples. This war brought a lot of pain and violence. Our project is a step against this violence and dependence. Most people who have never thought about these problems will probably just think about this. We hope that every human being will be free not only physically but also mentally, and they, humankind, will choose a better way, a way of kindness and help with hope for the bright future.
and about dependence. Dependence. Everyone depends on something that is good or bad, harmful or useful. People cannot always be on their own. They need help. We all depend each other and our faith. Every person was embedded with faith from his birth. We always have a need to believe in something, even if it's stupid, and we were given a will in order not to depend on such stupidities. Nowadays, most people are dependent on alcohol, cigarettes and drugs, not to mention the different habits that are harmful to our health. If a person has a will to make good proceeding, he is definitely to become better. To do this, just try and hope. For those who wish to understand but cannot, we create this poster.
Our project is a step against this violence and dependence.
Most people who have never thought about these problems will probably just think about this. We hope that every human being will be free not only physically, but also mentally. Thanks for your attention. We hope to pass.